Introduction to Data Science.
Data scientists use specialized knowledge to analyze complex data, extract valuable insights, and help organizations make informed decisions. This career blends skills in coding, statistics, and business understanding. As companies collect more data than ever, the role of a data scientist becomes increasingly vital in creating real-world impact across industries.
Key responsibilities of a data scientist.
A typical data scientist's day includes gathering data from various sources, cleaning and organizing it, and performing statistical analyses or building predictive models. They interpret the results to support business strategies and communicate findings in clear, actionable ways. Their responsibilities often extend to data visualization and collaborating with engineers or decision makers.
Essential coding and analytical tools.
Python and R are the most popular programming languages in data science, valued for their flexibility and powerful libraries. Tools like SQL help handle databases, while platforms such as Jupyter Notebook support exploratory analysis. Data visualization tools, including Tableau and Matplotlib, are used to present data insights clearly.
How data scientists work with software.
Beyond coding, data scientists use software frameworks like TensorFlow or scikit-learn to build machine learning models. Version control systems, such as Git, help manage project changes. Cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud enable scalable data storage and computational power, broadening the scope of data-driven projects.
Career prospects and industry demand.
Data science offers lucrative and diverse career opportunities. Industries such as technology, finance, healthcare, and retail actively hire data scientists to gain a competitive edge. There is strong demand for these professionals, and salaries are often above average. With ongoing digital transformation, the career outlook for data scientists remains bright and dynamic.